Asante. Kwa majina mimi naitwa George Morarabuga. Ni MCA wa Bogichora Ward and Leader of Majority in Nyamira County Assembly. Ningependa kusema neno moja tu. Dr. Walter Chanua represents the epitome of the professionals we have in Gusii, who we are supposed to tap into so that the two counties can move forward and in an accelerating rate. And one of the epitome that we are producing from our country, for our country Kenya, is Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Our son Fred Matiang'i will not let our country down. We will move from the third world country to a first world country under the leadership of Dr. Fred Matiang'i. And as we move along, ningependa our viongozi, the two leaders from our Gusii region, Mheshimiwa Simba Arati, Your Excellency, Mheshimiwa Amos Nyaribo, in the meantime, take advantage of the huge professionals that we have from our region so that they can use this limited time that we have, our counties will move forward. Asanteni sana.
Piamono, noroja asemora chai karansa, nyuma ya Simba Arati, na yendo karansa nyuma ya Nyaribo. Kako seri ontebe. Piamono. Asante. Sasa wacha nichukue fursa hii niwalete aspiring MPs na aspiring governors. Mukuje, just a name, two of you will represent you. Kama mtakubaliana na mimi kwa heshima.